Like to show you this big DeFever 53 motor yacht, twin Caterpillar diesels and twin Onan generators. It's got a flush deck. Notice there's no anchor pulpit, which makes the boat shorter when you have to pay for marina fees, so that's a good thing. So flush deck, one deck all the way from the bow to the stern, so no climbing up or down. And then on the inside, the interior cabin, the saloon and galley and pilot house, all are on the same flush deck, making it easy to get forward and aft. You can see here on the stern, we've got the sun deck, covered aft deck. You can't see it, but up there's the barbecue pit that you can see. We also have a dinghy and a jet ski up on the roof, spare bumpers, a hard arch for radars and other instrumentation, a bimini top, and then coming back down looking forward you can see the pilot house. And this is truly a very large cruising boat. This boat in particular has got 3 staterooms, 3 heads, and a walk-in stand-up engine room. So it's very big, very spacious, very easy to live in, very easy to cruise in, and very easy to do any type of maintenance that you might want to do aboard the boat yourself. You can see the great visibility from the pilot house and also from the flybridge. Let me walk a little bit more to the starboard to my left. And there, in the very back, you can see the gray dinghy on the roof. And you cannot see the jet ski, but trust me, the jet ski is up there also. And you may see the gray or silver dinghy davit. So that's how either the dinghy or the jet ski are lowered into the water. So if you want to learn more about DeFevers, more about cruising, more about doing maintenance on board your own boat, ask Captain Chris.